friends, and welcome back to my channel and today's video. So today I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial, and I'm only gonna focus on the eyes in this video because otherwise this video will be too long. But I am going to use the Full Fusion palette from Blush Tribe, and of course it's this little look that I have created. I have talked a little bit about that I want to like mix warm and cool tones together, so that is kind of what I tried to focus on today. So I have played with some oranges, some yellows, some purples and pinks, and I really like the look. Actually, I love this look. I think it's so much fun. If you haven't seen the Full Fusion palette, it looks like this. I do think that this is out of stock, but if you do have like similar colors in your collection or something like that, then you can go ahead and play with those. But yeah, I think that was all I had to say, so let's just hop into today's makeup tutorial. So I thought that I would start off with the shade Pumpkin, which is this beautiful like bright orange. I really want to play with orange, purple, and do something with that, but I haven't really decided what yet, so I'm just dipping into the orange, and I have primed with my Milani eyeshadow primer. So I'm just going to apply this right here, I think. Well, that's what I'm doing. Just let me in your head so I can be there for you, there for you. The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing? I'm just gonna take a small amount of like translucent powder. This is not translucent. I mean, God, I'm so out of it today. Oh my God, no! I just broke this. This is the Wet n Wild Coverall primer powder. I mean, oh my God, I'm so out of it today. But I used to use this to set my eyeshadow primer when I didn't have like a setting shade in a palette, and now I don't do that anymore. But I usually use this to like erase a little bit. As you can see, I think I took the orange a little bit too much into this kind of area, and I like this powder for that because it is very, it has a lot of coverage. I'm gonna clean up and fix this kind of area later on, but for now this is what I'm leaving it with. And by the way, I just tried to cover up some of my pimples because I don't expect you guys maybe to want to see that. I'm going to dip into myself. This is the shade Paulina, which is named after me, and this is also a shade that I'm bringing into my palette. And then I'm just gonna, I don't want too much of this, so I'm just going to put this kind of over right here, because as you can see they blend very well together, but I want to focus on like orange and purple, and I think that the pink will blend well together in with the purple. So I'm actually not gonna do more than this. So I actually think that I want like a really crisp and beautiful line, so therefore I'm going in with a piece of tape, and I suck at this, so I'll do my best. I never work with tape, so this is really gonna be a struggle. So, okay, let's see. This is not good. This is not good at all, so we're just gonna remove that. So I'm gonna hop into this purple shade that is called Aubergine. This is also gonna be in my palette with Blush Tribe. By the way, the tape situation, I'm so bad at this, so I might need to clean this up later on. But I will just start and apply this. This is the Morphe M blah 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 brush, M562 brush. This I have changed my mind about. I used to love this. I need to change brush actually. Oh, maybe we can work with it. But I used to love this. When I got it, I was like, oh my God, this is a dupe for the Sigma one. This is a little bit fluffier and bigger than the Sigma one, the E36 brush I think it is. But it's not. This brush doesn't pick up a lot of product. It blends out beautifully, but it doesn't pick up a lot of product. You can see how much I've coated my brush just because it doesn't really pick up anything. So now we are blending the purple and the pink together. I think that they go very well together. I know that we have a harsh line, but I promise that we will fix this later on. Just right now, I'm just trying to like display all of the color and like put them all down. I'm just gonna dip. No, I need another brush. This is crazy. So I'm just applying this to the side right here. So now I don't really know what to do. I haven't really decided yet. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna cut the lid, but I'm going to just take the Wet n Wild powder that we had before and just try and like erase some of the faults that I have done. So I'm just going to do that. I'm swaying to the hits, boy, loving every disco. I know that this is not blended out right now. I'm just gonna ignore that for now. I'm gonna blend it out later, but for now I just need to cut my lid just to make the vision come together a little bit more and see what I want to do. So I think I'm gonna use two different shades on my lid, but I don't really know which ones. But I'm gonna start off with a gold shade, woo, which is called Candlelight. It's this one. So now I have placed the gold, and I did just apply this right like this. I'm gonna have something else right here, but I can't really decide what. I am contemplating if I should go in with this yellow just to make it a little bit fun, or maybe even like the red. Something I always do when I can't really decide is just to take a shade and look like this. This looks really cool, but this looks cooler. So because I'm gonna use the yellow shade, I need to use something that is going to make it pop a little bit more. So I'm going to use my NYX Jumbo pencil in the shade Milk. So now I'm gonna dip into the shade Aspen. And I'm just gonna pack this on. Me off, I'm not gonna change my mind. Your head strong forward, but this time around I'm taking my time. Don't push me. I'm not coming down. I'm not giving up. So as you can see, I finished a little bit on this eye. I'm not really sure if I like the gold glitter, but we'll do the same thing on this eye. So right here I have this Golden Rose metallic liquid liner. This is just the gold one, which is called, okay, it doesn't have a name. So we're just applying this where we apply the shade Candlelight. And then I'm gonna take this Glitterati mascara liner from H&M. I really need to purchase a new one. This is running very, very low, but this is in the shade Andromeda or Andromeda, I don't know. So now I'm gonna go back to the shade Aubergine, and we're just going to go over like so. We want to get like a nice gradient. So I'm just going like so. And then I'm taking the shade Paulina and doing the same thing. And as you can see, I'm going in this direction. As you can see, like this is like a slash of some sort. I don't know how to explain, but I think you can see. So the pink goes into the purple. And then lastly, we take a little bit of the shade Bonfire, which is this beautiful red shade, and just applying this on top. Then we're going back to the brush that we used to apply this with. Oh my god, can you see? What a large patch. I'm gonna fix that later. Like so. So we kind of just blend them together a bit. Okay, so now I'm gonna dip into the orange shade and just intensify the lines. And now I'm dipping into myself, which is Paulina. And lastly, Aubergine. And now I'm gonna go in with my Sigma E36 brush and just blend out the harsh lines. This is clean, even though it doesn't seem to be clean. And I'm wiping it off. Every time I go into another shade, I'm wiping it off in my color sweeper. So I think I might go in with another glitterati liner or another glitter liner. This is from Too Faced, and this is their Peel Off eyeliner in the shade Fairy Queen. This is more of like a purpley shade. I love to have that kind of contrast, so this seems to suit this look much better. Oh my god, I'm shaking. I've drunk so much caffeine right now, so I'm a little bit shaky, but yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my Isadora eyeliner, and you know the drill, I need to be quiet when I'm applying my eyeliner, so say a little prayer for me. Okay, let's peel off the tape and see how we have done. Ooh, I love it. I love it. So I'm just going to do the same thing on this eye, put on my base and everything, and then I'll come back to do the under eyes. So now we're gonna do the under eyes, and I am going to start off with the shade Aubergine, and I'm just gonna pack this under my eye. And I usually use like eyebrow brushes because I have so many of them that I don't really like, so just a little tip. And now I'm going in with a little bit of the shade October, which is this almost like blood red. Tapping it off. I'm not going in with too much. And then I'm gonna take the shade Bonfire to smoke this out. I think I want like a lot of Bonfire. So now I'm gonna take a little bit of my NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk, and I'm just applying like a small little dot right there, and I'm doing the same on this eye. And I'm not gonna blend this out too much, just a little bit, so we get a nice fade. And then I'm gonna dip into the shade Aspen once again. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I did go ahead and pop a little bit of the Linda Hallberg's eye or mood crayon in my waterline, the orange one. I think that might be called like Happy or something, but I'm not really sure. And then I took a little bit of the Ofra Cloud 9 highlight and popped it in my inner corner because I just thought that, I don't know, I liked it, so that's what I did. But yeah guys, I think that was all that I had for you guys today, so I really hope that you enjoyed this little video of mine, and if you did, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, please feel free to thumbs the video down. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye!